Welcome to the magical kingdom of Bana Hills in Da Nang. Nestled in the lap of nature, this breathtaking mountaintop destination is one of Vietnam's most popular tourist attractions. It feels like a dream city, where reality and fantasy blend seamlessly. Ride one of the world's longest cable cars and ascend above the clouds, where the iconic Golden Bridge awaits you, held by two giant stone hands as if lifted straight out of a fairy tale. But that's not all. The European-style architecture of the French village, colorful gardens, exciting pavements, and the cool mountain climate all come together to create an unforgettable experience. So come along as we explore this dreamlike world of Da Nang, the Bana Hills. Located in central Vietnam, Da Nang is a unique city where mountains meet the sea, a perfect harmony of nature and modern life. Our journey begins from this vibrant coastal city and takes us from the bustling seaside to the calm and cloudy peaks of Bana Hills. As the car moves forward, the busy streets of the modern city slowly fade away. In their place, rolling green hills and peaceful rural landscapes emerge. Leaving behind the coastal breeze of Da Nang, we head towards winding mountain roads where nature unveils its colorful canvas. It's about an hour's journey, but every moment is filled with discovery. Small villages, rice fields, and mist-covered mountains make the ride truly mesmerizing. Vietnam is a country rich in ancient civilizations and stories of war. Yet, its natural beauty is just as diverse, and Da Nang is a perfect example of that.
Welcome to the Bana Hills.
We booked our Bana Hills tickets through Klook.com, which cost us around 4,000 INR per person. Additionally, the total car rental for the whole day was also approximately 4,000 rupees. Finally, we arrived at the cable car station of Bana Hills. From here begins one of the longest and most scenic cable car rides in the world. As you glide through the clouds and above the lush forests, it feels like you are reaching for the sky.
The cable car of Bana Hills holds the record of the world's longest non-stop cable car.
This journey from Da Nang to Bana Hills is not just about traveling from one place to another. It's about stepping into a fairy tale. From a coastal city to a cloud-hidden French village, this path leaves a lasting impression on every traveler.
It takes around 20 minutes to reach the Bana Hills by cable car. The ride is more or less smooth, but it is quite windy at certain places and the sound of the wind is scary.
भारत माता की जय।
One of the most iconic attractions here is the Golden Bridge. Two gigantic stone hands holds up this golden walkway, creating the illusion that a giant from the mountains has gifted it to humanity. Walking across the bridge feels like you are strolling through the clouds. More than just a structure, the Golden Bridge represents the perfect harmony between human creativity and natural beauty. Bana Hills is not limited to cable cars, the Golden Bridge, or the French village. It also features an exciting amusement park where visitors of all ages can enjoy thrilling rides and fun activities. Another stunning attraction is its beautifully designed gardens. Spread across the mountainside, these gardens are filled with vibrant flowers and lush greenery, offering both visual delight and inner peace. One such beautiful spot is the Love Garden, which is an enchanting floral paradise. Standing atop the misty mountains is a symbol of peace, the majestic big Buddha statue. This towering white statue of Shakyamuni Buddha is about 27 meters tall, radiating a deep sense of calm and serenity, even from a distance. At the heart of the Bana Hills lies a piece of Europe, the French village. Standing high above the clouds, this charming place takes you back in the time to the medieval Europe. Stone castles, Gothic-style churches, narrow cobblestone streets, and elegant European architecture make it feel like time has stood still.
At 1500 meters above the sea level, in the Bana Hills, the French had initially built their resort. Later on, it has been turned to an amusement park.
During the day, the sunlight makes the old castles glow, and at night, the entire village lights up like a colorful festival. Visitors often feel as though they are strolling through a historic town in France rather than in Vietnam. The French village is not just about architecture, it also offers cafes, restaurants, and various entertainment options, making it a complete dream destination. Vietnam's spiritual life is beautifully diverse. Buddhism is the most widely practiced, especially the Mahayana tradition. Alongside it, Confucianism and Taoism also play an important role in shaping the country's culture and lifestyle. Even in Bana Hills, we came across several Buddhist temples and pagodas.
Hi. Hi.
After exploring the Bana Hills, we get back into the car. Our next destination is Hoi An, where round coconut basket boats float on the river, inviting us into yet another unique experience.